Assalamu alaikum. Today our first video is what is the shell. When we speak of the command line, we are really referring to the shell. The shell is a program that takes keyboard commands and passes them to the operating system to carry out. Okay. First step is to open the Kali Linux. The username is Kali and the password is also Kali. Okay. Now the next step is open the terminal. As you see that in the black color, it is in a terminal. Okay. Open this and we must have a root access to put some command. So sudo su and the password for Kali is Kali. Now making your first keystrokes. Okay, write some command like Hasan Khan and you see that the command is not found. Okay, why? Because it may make no sense. Okay, and if you put any other command like subscribe Cyber Shield Academy, okay, it also make no sense. So command not found, it says. So later we discuss about commands, but if we are talking about the history, command history, if you press the up arrow we will see that the previous command enter, like Hasan Khan Cyber Shield Academy. If you press upper key arrow of the keyboard, okay, like I press upper keyboard and it shows me my previous respond. And if you see that cursor movement, like I press up arrow again and I go to the history, if we try the left and right arrow we will see that we can position the cursor anywhere on the command line. Now now try some simple commands for beginners. If we begin with the date command, which displays the current time, you see that Wednesday May 17. And if we know the calendar, its command is cal, and it is not been built in Kali Linux, so it asks us to download it. So we press the Y button to download it. So it takes some time to download, so we have to move on. Now to see the current amount of free space on our disk drives, enter df command. You see that there is a file system, 1k blocks, use available, use percent mounted on, everything is available on the terminal. And likewise to display the amount of free memory, enter the free command. Okay, so that's all. Ending a terminal session. So if you want to ending the terminal session, you have to put exit command in it. So after summing it, in this video we began our journey into the Linux command line with the introduction to the shell, a glimpse of the command line, and a brief lesson on how to start and end a terminal session. We also saw how to issue some complete commands and perform a little light command line editing. That was not so scary, was it? Now next is navigation. Okay, the first thing we need to learn, besides how to type, is how to navigate the file system on our Linux system. In this video we will introduce the following commands like pwd, cd, ls. Pwd means print name of the current working directory. Okay, you see that home Kali is our current directory. Okay, current working directory. And if I press ls command, which listing the contents of a directory where I am in. Now next command is changing the current working directory, so press cd command, and while I listing the files ls, and you see that there is a directory named downloads, so we go to the downloads, cd downloads, and you see that we are into the downloads folder. And if we go back to the previous directory, we press cd double dots and we come back to the previous directory. Now if you go to the cd user bin file and ls, put the command name ls, and you see that there's a lot of files, the directory bin. Okay, and now where I am is pwd user bin file, and you don't know what is the working of user bean, okay, directory, but later on we are discussing about the all directories present in the Linux, so don't worry about it. Just use the command cd, okay, to change the directory. So if I press cd user, then I slash cd user, if I print, then I go back to the user file, and you see that pwd and user file. And if I put cd slash bin, then I come back to the bin folder. And if I place cd double dot, and I come back to the root folder, which is slash. Only slash mean it is now into the for root folder, okay. Now a single dot doesn't have any sense, like I put Hassan Khan or Cyber Shield Academy, which make no sense. Likewise, single dot does not make any sense and does not have any action related to this. And but if I place cd dot slash bin, it will change your directory to that file which I named after slash, okay. Hope so this all working is very helpful for you, because it's just as basic, it is not in any very advanced, but I am very honestly very deeply learn about this, because if your basic is strong, then you can master the advanced also. Now if I go back to the root folder, the cd, and I don't know what is the name of this double, you can see there on the screen, okay. And if you cd home kali, you will go back to the home kali, means your home folder, okay. This is all about I am very new in this world, mean YouTube world. So if I making any mistakes, so please guide me and show some support. So summing up in this video, this chapter I said that this video explain how the shell treats the directory structure of the system. We learn about absolute and relative path names and the basic command that we use to move around that structure. Now in the next video, we will use this knowledge to go on a tour of modern Linux system, okay. This is just a basic introduction video